And welcome to my channel. It's Sunday, January 15th, and yesterday I did a massive harvest of brassicas and lettuce, and today I'm going to use the collard greens to do a video from seed to table, and I'm going to show you how I prepare my collard greens. Okay, we're going to put a couple teaspoons of the bacon fat into the pot. And we're also going to put a little olive oil. Wooden spoon. Put my onions in. And we're going to put the garlic in. We're going to saute both of these until they're translucent. I always love the smell of onions and garlic sauteing. It smells so good. Do you agree? Let me know down in the comments. It's starting to turn translucent. Okay, I'm going to take my turkey necks and place them in. When the turkey necks are done, I'm going to pull them out and let them cool, and I'm going to take the meat off the bones and put it back in before I put my greens in. So I'm going to next add 8 cups of water. Okay. When you have these return to temperature until they begin to boil, then I'm going to turn the heat down and I'm going to let these simmer. Okay, we're back. Here is the smoked turkey neck meat that has been picked from the bones. We're going to dump that back in. And here are the collards that I harvested yesterday. They have been cut and cleaned Okay, if you aren't eating collard greens or any type of green at least once a week this time of year, there's something wrong with you. This is a seasoning that I ran across, actually called collard green seasoning. So I'm going to put 2 tablespoons to start out in here. We're going to turn the heat up a little bit. I'm going to add 2 cups of chicken broth. I'm going to allow these, excuse me, I'm going to allow these to wilt, and then I'm going to come back and stir them. See you in a little bit. Okay, greens have wilted down, so I'm stirring everything in. This is a little apple cider vinegar. I like to have it in my greens. Get a spoon to do some tasting. I'm going to adjust the seasoning. Okay, we're going to let these simmer for about 45 minutes until they're done. Then about 5 minutes before they're done, I'm going to add something that people may not like, but my family and I do. It's a little secret thing. Okay, we're back. And the secret ingredient that we're speaking of is okra. So I have some chopped okra, and I'm dumping in. I'm going to turn the greens off. The okra will cook, and soon enough we'll be taking it to the plate. The seasoning that I got, the brand is a Badaya, and it's the collard green seasonings. It has dehydrated vegetables of onion and garlic, salt, brown sugar, smoked paprika, other spices, and it's pretty much what I normally use when I do my greens, but this is an all-in-one mixture. So I think it's the first time I've used it. Greens taste okay, taste pretty good to me. So I may consider using it on a full-time basis. Okay, I have a little bit of the greens. They're good. Real good. To go along with the collard greens, we have smothered turkey wings and rice. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while I show you how I cooked my collard greens. The thing I like best about it is that this is a from seed to table dinner. Everything that I used, with the exception of the meat, was from my garden. The greens, the okra, the onions, and the garlic. It's a wonderful feeling when you're able to grow your own food, cook it, and prepare it. So if you like this type of video, let me know in the comment section and you may see more. Until next time, stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow.